Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
Well, the weekend is here, and I know that there's maybe just a few things you want to do around the yard. If it involves burning, I would highly recommend that you do not do that. We have a very high risk for wildfires across the entire state of Wisconsin. The good news is there's no active fires right now. But we are kind of in the peak of our first of two kind of peaks throughout the year. March through May is the first half of our season. The second half is through September into November. Peak time for those fires, noon to 8 p.m. And the reason is because our relative humidity is its lowest. That's kind of the best conditions. Dry conditions along with low relative humidity, and that's really what we're going to be dealing with over the weekend. So again, if you do have to do any yard work that does involve burning, I would highly recommend putting it off until next week. A lot of the United States is quiet and dry, except for a few showers off towards the desert southwest into Montana and some lingering snow there in New England. We are going to go into the rest of this weekend quiet and stay quiet throughout your Easter weekend. We're hanging out in the upper 30s to low 40s, approaching the mid 40s. There in Lone Rock, 45 in Boscobel, 40 for those of us in Monroe, 43 in Janesville. Here's a look at that relative humidity. It's really good for fires when it's at 30% or below. So many of us are starting to approach that threshold. Again, the peak time between noon and 8. That's when our winds are maybe a little bit more breezy, and certainly out of the south, they are not going to be helping our cause into the rest of our day. But these southerly winds are going to keep us warm. We're going to climb into those upper 40s, maybe even squeezing out a few low 50s by the mid-afternoon. Take a look. Compared to our wind chills, we should be warmer air temperature-wise, but it may not feel like it. It's just that time of year again. Even some nice southerly winds will cause a bit of a wind chill, but the good news is we are set to warm on up into the rest of your weekend. If you want to do some fishing, Saturday and Sunday are going to be perfect. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday next week that we run the risk of running into a scattered shower or thunderstorm. And you certainly don't want to be out on the water or near water because electricity and water, they do not mix. But here's a look into your Saturday morning quiet. We'll go through the rest of your Saturday afternoon quietly as well, and overnight into your Easter. The start, it's going to be maybe a little bit more cloudy than sunny, and that's going to be kind of the theme for Easter, compared to Saturday at least. More clouds than sunshine, but we are going to be staying dry. Upper 40s to low 50s today, upper 60s to low 70s for not only your Easter Saturday, but also Sunday, which of course is Easter. So get out there and do some Easter egg hunting. Mother Nature and the Easter Bunny really treating us this year. And then of course the shower and thunderstorm chance return as we go into next week. So everybody enjoy the weekend, get outside, soak up some sun. And you can probably do that too Monday and Tuesday, but you know, again, the scattered thunderstorm threat is going to be there.
Yeah, exactly. It'll be so nice just to be able to get outside on Easter weekend. I remember, you know, last year the lockdown order had just gone into place. We were all stuck inside. So at least we can go outside this year.
And we pick up 2 inches of snow in April, so at least it's not happening this weekend.
There we go. All right.
Positives.
All the bright side.